How to change email address on Oyster card. To change the email address associated with your Oyster card, visit the official Transport for London website and navigate to the login page for Oyster online services. Log into your Oyster online account using credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings or profile section of your account. Look for an option to manage your account details. Locate the section where you can update your email address. There should be an option to enter a new email address. After entering your new email address, the system may prompt you to confirm the change. This could involve clicking a verification link sent to your new email address. Once you have entered and confirmed your new email address, make sure to save the changes to your account settings. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.